Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into something super important for anyone with a brilliant product idea. You've spent countless hours, maybe even sleepless nights, dreaming up something new, something better. It's your baby. But what happens when you're ready to share it with the world? The unfortunate reality is that copycats are out there, waiting to take a great idea and make it their own without doing any of the hard work. This is where protecting your invention becomes not just a smart move, but an essential one. It's about making sure your hard work pays off for you, not for someone else. Think of it like this. A patent is like putting a velvet rope around your invention. It's a legal tool that tells the world, hey, this is mine. I created it, and I have the exclusive right to make it, use it, sell it for a certain period. Without this protection, your unique product could appear under someone else's brand, and there would be very little you could do about it. Protecting your idea from the start gives you peace of mind and control. It's the foundation for a successful business and a brand customers can trust. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a patent? It's a legal right granted by a government like the United States to an inventor. It lets you exclude others from making, using, selling, importing your invention for a limited time. It's powerful IP protection. Utility patent term is typically 20 years from filing. Think of it as a temporary monopoly, as a reward for innovating and sharing. Understand what a patent does and doesn't do. It doesn't guarantee sales. You still need a great product, market it effectively, and build a business. A patent gives you legal muscle to stop copycats. If infringed, you can act and potentially recover damages. In return, you fully disclose how it works. It later becomes public knowledge. Your disclosure must teach others to make and use it. Now that we know what a patent is, let's get into utility patents and design patents. Utility protects function. How it works, how it's used, or how it's made. New machines, compounds, processes, or improved tools fit utility. Utility patents are powerful because they protect the core concept. A novel can opener mechanism. Others can't use that mechanism even if it looks different. They're broader, more complex, more expensive, and take longer. You must show novelty, usefulness, and non-obviousness. Design patents protect the look. It's about shape, configuration, and surface ornamentation. Think iconic product silhouettes, protecting recognizable form, not function. Generally faster, easier, and less expensive than utility. Which is right for you? Many products need both. Utility for technology, design for the iconic look. Understand the distinction to build the right protection strategy. Let's walk through the USPTO patent process. First, write everything down. Document in detail, sketch, describe, and date it. Keep a complete case file. Second, conduct a patent search to confirm novelty and non-obviousness. Start with Google Patents. Then use the USPTO database. Look for existing solutions and refine your idea. Filing can be complex. Many start with a low-cost provisional patent application to secure a filing date. You get 1 year of patent pending to test, seek funding, and refine. The non-provisional needs formal drawings, detailed specs, and strong claims. Most inventors hire a registered patent attorney or agent. Expect a significant investment. An examiner reviews. You may respond to office actions. If convinced, your patent is granted. For utility patents, pay maintenance fees to keep it in force. Before you go further, has someone already patented your idea? A patent search is non-negotiable. Start broad, then narrow. Try multiple keyword variants. Use different terms to map the landscape. Study drawings and especially the claims. The legal heart. Cross-check on the USPTO database. Check Amazon. Sellers often mention patented or list patent numbers. Look up numbers on USPTO or Google Patents to see what's protected. For serious ventures, hire a professional searcher or firm. A pro report is far cheaper than a rejected application you could have avoided. For startups and solo inventors, this is a tough call. Patents are expensive and time-consuming. Should you get one? It depends on product, market, and strategy. Weigh costs against benefits. How easy is it to copy and launch a competing version? Large markets can justify patents. Very small niches may not. In fast cycles, speed might win. A PPA is a great middle ground. Affordable, DIY-friendly, 1 year pending. If it doesn't take off, your downside stays small. Overseas, NDAs can be hard to enforce. Work with trusted partners on the ground. Yansourcing vets factories, sets clear IP contracts, inspects quality, and manages shipping to make importing from China quickly and safely. You focus on brand and sales. We handle production and logistics. Do you have any questions about the import process? Visit our website, yansourcing.com, or send us an email at info@yansourcing.com. I'd love to help.